Okay, let's be real. How many of us can be honest about who we are at home?
झूठ नहीं बोलेगी, आवारागर्दी नहीं करेगी तो क्या तेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी?
Many of us are living dual lives. One version that exists at home and our parents approve of, kind of. And the other version that we are when we step out of those doors.
ऐसे कपड़े पहनकर घर आई है तो मुंबई में तो नंगी घूमती होगी।
The life of an Indian girl is no less than a spy. We are the generation that's on social media, are familiar with the culture of clubbing, speed dating, hookups, and if our parents ever see the second version, they might be scandalized. But can we be held accountable for lying to our parents?
बाहर जाना है, दोस्तों के साथ पार्टी करना है, मुझे पिक्चर देखना है।
कौन चाहेगा कि वो इतनी सीक्रेट लाइफ जिए? Because you have seen the kind of work that goes in keeping a secret a secret. So why do we have a dual life? Indian parents have considerable amount of control on their kids even when they are well past in their adulthood because they don't trust their kids' choices and हम भी कुछ हद तक अपने आप को उन्हें कंट्रोल करने देते हैं. Why? Because of fear and guilt.
Also because some daughters might be financially dependent on their parents.
Second is the grip that society has on our parents. Now society wants to police and control women and most parents value random opinions by relatives. So they police us further. According to a study, only 49% of Indian parents rated happiness in life as one of the 3 most important goals as compared to 77% in UK, 78% in Canada and 86% in France. So this dialogue कि mom dad please मेरी खुशी के लिए आप इतना नहीं कर सकते might not work on a lot of Indian parents. Pressure of maintaining a good girl image. Parents want कि उनकी बेटी इतनी pure/virgin हो कि कोई उस पे उंगली ना उठा पाए कि उसकी lifestyle choices से उसे bad girl का title ना मिले. And we know if we fail to live up to these expectations, we will get scolded, beaten up, or in some cases even get killed. And so we lie. Here are the bad things that come out of this. First is of course not seeking help when they need it. Because we are hiding everything they see as controversial, then of course we are hiding our sexual experiences too. And that includes everything from pregnancies to unsafe sex to STDs to even sexual assaults. In 2017, an average of 11.8 million teenage pregnancies occurred in India. Second is not forming a bond and not knowing your child truly. Daughters in India live as strangers to their parents under the same roof. But if there is no conversation happening and the only thing you're discussing with your daughters how they can be more of a good girl, how they can be more sanskari, then chances are that your daughter will never reveal who she truly is. Number third is that they don't get the opportunity to grow. You know, the world outside is bad, but it's pretty wonderful too. And one of the ways in which you truly become an adult is by getting to experience that world up close on your own. Even if parents are restricting their daughters for their own good, they might be trying to protect their child from any harm. They have to realize that one day they will have to set her free from their place into the world. And even if that world is her husband's house, you should prepare your daughter to stand up for herself and not tolerate oppression of any kind. Number 4 is that hiding our true selves can come in the way of us grabbing opportunities. Many of our parents have good intentions in their heart and they do love us. And that's why they feel like setting out a path for us to walk on. तुम्हारे अच्छे के लिए कर रहे हैं. We do want to please them and make them proud of ourselves. But should that mean that we should not take up opportunities that might displease them? We don't want them to be proud of the fact that we wear full clothes or are not on social media. We don't want them to be proud of that we are not following the career of our choice and listening to whatever they're saying. Because there's nothing to feel proud about in that. What we want our parents to be proud of is our talents, our achievements, about how we will financially support them and always be there for them, of how we have the guts to live our own lives, to fight prejudice and society every step of the way. And we do need our parents' support for that.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.